Hi all, just going to do a part 2 of the solar testing rig. There's the sun up there. I've got slight shading on the panels because I've just opened the window. What I'm going to do now is show you what I've got running, what's been coming in on the amps and the power of the solar. So we've still got battery going there. I've got two what are they called, extenders, multi-socket on there. The inverter's telling me that there's 28.9 volts, 100%. It's a bit over that voltage there. We are, just get that on there like that. We're at the PV's at 36 volts. Whoops a daisy. We're getting 5 amps from the panels. It's 28.8 volt, 28.7. The battery's getting 6.2, 6.3 amp. Sorry, my hand was in the way there. Let's go through that again. 36 volt on the panels, producing 5.1 amp. We've done 35 kilowatt hours. But that's not with this setup. We're on 28.7 volts on the battery, and the battery's getting 6.2 amp. We come over to the PC software, and as you can see there, solar current just short of 5 amp, battery's at 28.7 volts, which is round there about 4.10, 4.1 volts per cell, and the battery's getting just over 6 amps. We're at 100% state of charge, and if I show you what I've got running, whoops a daisy, I've just kicked the fan over. Right, this is what's running. We've got a extension lead here that's running this fan and this camera, CCTV camera, that's keeping an eye on all that when I'm out. And then we've got this one is running the fridge, and we come down there and that is running the computer. It's and also up top I've got the extension up top. That's running the freezer as well. Where's that? Yeah, that's the freezer cable. And that's not doing too bad at all, actually. Very happy with that. The fan has kicked in once, and it says it's, what's that, 45 degrees. Yeah, it's kicked in once. When I've got this fan is actually running on full tilt boogie. So we have got setting number 1, and then we're going to go for setting number 2, and then we'll go for setting number 3, which is needed because these windows are almost shut tight. Not too sure what the rating is on there. Can't see that proper. What does that say? 45 watts max. It has to be. Yeah, not sure what the power of the computer is, around about 500, 700 watt. Fridge and the freezer, not really sure. I'll have to work it out with a clamp meter and stuff. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed this video, and see you later.